Start.
Welcome to my channel. My channel name is The Altruist. So we have reached today here in PAYANA, which is just near to the Mysore. So we have traveled more than 120 kilometers, and they have a good collections of vintage cars over here. And you will see on my next clips, I have explained all those cars along with credential. So please do subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching.
You should hit that bell button.
We are getting tickets on the ticket counter. So this is the inside area of this PAYANA car museum. So let them
Just
get a
now
ticket.
they have gotten the ticket. Let me show you what's the cost. Okay. For how many persons? 6 persons, right? With a kid.
4 adults.
4 adults.
2 kids.
So how much it cost? Total 200 bucks. Okay. So it's very cheap. Each of 50 rupees, I guess. Okay. So this is the entry area of the hall. Now we need to produce our ticket. Yeah. So this is the map where we are getting entry. See the beginning of this hall with the rickshaw. We call this as a rickshaw, but it is not a rickshaw. I think it has some name. This is the area where they have all the dynamo, shoe carburetor, turbocharger, mechanical fuel pump, and then steering gearbox, along with this vintage car. Yeah. The area where they have all the mechanical items with the engines, and down also we have lots of the cars collections, and the fan is too big. Yeah, see all the vintage cars are all in down. So let me just cover up from the first floor where we have wheels collected. Yeah, this is the wheels area. Now we have all the vintage cars. So this is the vintage cars of 1925. It has launched. It's a very old. It has launched in 1931, Fiat 521, and then this is for MER 50501. They have collected in 1929, and they have 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, and this is the one which looks pretty nice. 1955 collected Studebaker Champion Rizal Conestoga station wagon, and this is the one 1960s collected Peugeot 404 Berlin Grand Tourism. And then they have Buick Series 50 Super 8. It is so costly. It looks very nice. Yeah. And then they have Opel Kadett, which has collected in 1947. I think it's not a collection date, it's a build date, their launch date, I think. And then we have a Palki here. They have also Daimler DE36, which has collected in 1949. It is so nice till this date. The authenticity of this car still, it looks very nice and too wide. The length of the car, it looks more than a 10 feet. It's a very wide museum, and I have collected a lot of the cars, which is Chevrolet Impala, and it is a vintage car, I believe. This is not the newest version one. And they have the camera also over here. This is 1965 collected Chevrolet Impala, and this is Hillman Hunter 1967 collected, and that is the last one for on the top floor, the Opel Record Series B. See, this is also one of the most oldest collected 1937 Skoda Popular 420 Roadster. And then we have a pilot who is on the parachute right now. It's for a demo. I'm just going down right away. Let's see, let's explore the downstairs also. Yeah, their design, and they have kept in a very nice manner. No one, the audience, like those who are coming here to see the museum, they are not eligible to touch. They cannot touch. That is not even allowed to touch. They have some border. Within that border, you have to see. So here they have army trucks and all, everything. I'm still going down to cover up all the cars. I have explored more than 100 cars till this time, but yeah, we'll be seeing more as they have more collections. I think here they have more than 1,000 of cars. See, so here they have started with a scooter, and then I have shown you just a minute back the army truck that they have collected here, which is collected in 1981 Craze 260 military truck. Rolls-Royce. Now I have came to see the Austin 7 Salon, which has launched on 1931. It's a very tiny car, but though it looks very nice. And then this is a Ford Perfect E93A. It is Morris and Series E1947 collected. These all are the very oldest car in India that have gotten it for their museum. And this is Austin A40 1950 collected. And then another one, Chevrolet military truck, US Army KSI road truck, 1945. See, they have a caution board of do not touch. We cannot touch their cars, and we have a limit of till this. From there we have to watch Steyr Punch Haflinger 1967, and this is 1953 Gas 69. I think it's from Russia. Yeah. And then they have gun also. See, from this they have also demoed here 1924 car, which is Rolls-Royce. On those days they have built it in that way, but now it's been discovered in a different way. It's also from Russia, which has written as a 1945 Kaspir Mark II, mine resisting. Germany. It's from Germany. And then we have 1958 Willys Pickup 475, and this is the main area of our Indian. I think if you are an Indian, then you might have seen Mela film, no? Mela Dilo Ka Aata Hai. Tata Truck 1210D 1973, and this one is also a truck of Indian. This is the Hillman Minx, so which has launched in 1952, and it looks also very nice, pretty. And this is Austin Air40 Somerset 1952 collected. And this is Hindustan 14. Hindustan 14 looks till this day looks very dashing, very awesome, very wonderful. And this is Hindustan Landmaster. We have seen this as an Ambassador 1955 collected. And this is Hindustan Ambassador Mark 1 1961 collected. And this is, I don't know what's that name. It has not mentioned anyway. Collected from 1983. And this is 1957 Fiat 1100 LS1, 1962 Fiat 1100 Select. So this is the 1964 Fiat 1100 Super Select. So this is all the cars where you can see Mercedes, and then all Fiat models, oldest one. And then I have missed to show you these two cars over there. That is also a military truck, which is collected in 1946. And here they have lots of collections. Let's see, let's explore more things. Apart from the car, they have the collections of bikes, which is Java, Yamaha, and then electric cycle. No, it's not electric, I think. And then this Victoria and Royal Enfield type of, not a Royal Enfield, but a type of Royal Enfield, Triumph and Explorer. And moreover, they have gear. See, earlier they were using the gear here, and then this channel. See, they have scooters, they have Rajdut, they have Royal Enfield, and they have all the scooter Vespa collected over here. We show you the another one, Citroen Traction Avant 11 CV, which is collected in 1947. And this car has a top speed of 73 per kilometer per hour. Horsepower is 56, and then engine power is 1911 cc, and torque is 119 nautical meter, and transmission is 3-speed manual. So this car has those period of day that have that speed limit. It's moving nicely. Now it will come. It is moving. Let's see his front. So this is Mercedes-Benz 8 1926 collected. And see there, you might have seen this. See, this is all equipments. See, this is how it looks. Mercedes-Benz those days. It's a dismantled car where they have tried to present us the part of engine, the part of light, the part of bonnet, the part of door, the part of wheel, the part of tire, the part of backside, the part of all the lights and steering, including the gearbox. Yep. It's a very nice 800 1985 collection. And then this is the Reva Electric 2008 collection. This is Field Marshal tractor. This is how they used to dig and excavate those days with this dozer. I think I have covered almost and this will be the last for me to show you my audience. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit on subscriber and comment and like and share to my channel. So I cannot go back one by one and show you the details of the car, just because they have a boundary till here only. So I cannot show you what is inside and what is the name of those cars inside. So I can just only explain you about like which is last brand that I have collected for. It's 2002. This is the Hyundai Sonata Gold. This one is the latest car in this modern era they have collected. And apart from that, all cars are very old and vintage. And I think we have some more like things to see inside. People are getting into that. Let's explore that also. This is the rock carving of Veerbhadra, and it looks pretty. And this is the watch Manjusa Hall. I think they have lots of collection here. Yeah, they have lots of collection here. The oldest things, ancient things. It's not even old. It's ancient collection. I don't really know all the things name, but all this I'm seeing this for the first time in my life. ये तो धनुष है, धनुष. Thomas Edison phonograph, gramophone. Then the teas, samovar, soda maker, and this is what I think this is an X-ray machine or photo machine. Okay, photo. Okay, oxypathon. Okay, so those days they used to get a photo. Nowadays it's been changed and moderated to mobile camera and then a DSLR camera. But those days they use this type of machine to click a photo. Yeah, it's very nice. See how old it is. Let me try to find it out. How old it is? It is 1911 and 15th century. Oh my God, it's too old. Over they have a collections of lamps. Yeah, see, so tiny lamps and lights. So it looks really nice. And this is what I don't know. Let me see. This is something pepper cutting machine. Oh, okay. This is a pepper cutting machine. And then they have a collection of oldest food. Yeah, घटका, पंजाब, मर्डरानी खेल, केरला में बोलता है उसको कलरी पायटू. Okay, so they have a collection of gun. ये तो बाबा हेरा फेरी का गन लग रहा है. So they have 303 year gun, and then those type of gun. I'm not sure what it is called even. Chota revolver, single shooter revolver. It is a tank, kaman, tirangi. Okay. So yeah, it is a Colombian press paper cutting machine. So here is my fellows, and they are watching. He's reviewing some cars. It's a 2002 collection.
Starting is next year and go by video clip.